Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove pimple and blemishes from your video using CapCut application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you have to download and install CapCut application on your mobile phone. And after you have installed this CapCut application, you can open the CapCut and then you're going to create new project. But here I have just created a project and I'm going to open my project. And let's say that there are pimples and blemishes on this girl's face and I'm going to remove it. If we want to remove it, we can tap on the video and then we're going to go to the Retouch feature. Tap on Retouch and then you're going to select face, and to remove the blemishes and pimples, I'm going to go to the smooth tools. We're going to make it smoother like this so the blemishes and pimples will be removed. Okay, and then I'm going to remove the dark circle as well. I'm going to go to the dark circle and then we can increase it like this. You can also brighten your face if you want, like that. And once you're done, you can click on this check mark. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the blemishes and the pimples have been removed from the video. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove pimples and blemishes from a video using CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.